Hey there, this is Alex reporting to you from Vapesterdam, where cloud cover is constant and uninterrupted, especially now that the Grasshopper has rolled into town. Let's see if she kicks down the door of the saloon or gets out-dueled in the street. When I picked up the Grasshopper, I noticed right away it's a well-built machine. It is small and discreet. The one thing I will point out, the threads are at the top of the chamber, which really helps them not get gummed up as they are buried when you bring the tip over and connect it, which I really liked. The charger that comes with it attaches magnetically, which is just one of those things that I find cool. The Grasshopper did okay in vapor quality. There's a very short vapor path, as you can imagine. Like when you pull this battery out, the vapor path is less than 2 inches. It's really, really short, and as a result, the vapor comes out hot as fuck. The heat up time is 5 seconds, which I thought was pretty cool, and it is convection heating, which is also kind of cool. I had a friend of mine recommend to me to use the wide mouthpiece and attach it to a water pipe, which I found to be the only way that I ended up using the Grasshopper. I love the look and feel of the Grasshopper. I mean, it looks like a pen, it feels like a pen. The button click at the top is great. I mean, I had to stop myself from clicking the button every goddamn 4 seconds. It does, however, if you get the stainless steel finish, pick up some fingerprints and some scratches. As you'll notice, mine has been heavily used and you can see it, which is a downside for me. I prefer, like an anodized steel or something that just doesn't pick up as many wear and tear marks. The Grasshopper is super discreet. I've been calling it the discreet queen. It really is small and also looks like a pen. Like nobody's going to have any idea if you want to take this on the go. But again, with the temperature, it does get a little hot. So if you keep it on the lower side, temperature-wise, you should be okay in public. The Grasshopper is incredibly simple to use. Click it once to turn on. It'll take about 5 seconds to heat up. Adjust the temperature by turning the top of the unit around and click again to turn off. Simples. In terms of portability, the batteries are really shit. This is again another area where I really wanted to like the Grasshopper. I wanted it to be a portable, but it's just not there. Between the two batteries, you get 8 to 10 sessions, which is kind of ridiculous, but it is stealthy as hell and does have pass-through charging, so you can just keep vaping. It is good for 1 or 2 discrete hits though. The Grasshopper is a sleek and well-designed vaporizer, but let's take a quick look at the pros and cons. Pros: it is the discreet queen, it is simple to use, and has a 5-second heat up time. Cons: the vapor comes out fucking hot. It picks up some fingerprints, and it has terrible battery life. Overall, I would recommend the Grasshopper for anyone who needs a phenomenal on-demand vaporizer and wants to keep it indoors. As always, thanks so much for checking out our review of the Grasshopper. Give us a like if you enjoyed this video. Click subscribe if you really enjoyed it. To find out more, be sure to visit vapesterdam.com to check out reviews, shoutouts, and rankings. My name's Alex, and until next time, stay cloudy.